A blinking white light on your Rogers gateway, like the Ignite Gateway XB6, XB7, or XB8 models, typically indicates it's trying to connect to the Rogers network but hasn't fully activated. This is a startup or activation issue. Here's what the Rogers gateway looks like. The blinking white light usually appears on the front panel during startup. First, perform a power cycle. Unplug the gateway for 30 to 60 seconds, then plug it back in. This resets the device and clears temporary errors. Next, check the coaxial cable connection to ensure it's secure and undamaged. Loose connections are a common cause of the blinking light. Be patient, as the gateway can take a few minutes to fully connect after these steps. If power cycling and checking connections don't resolve the issue, the next step is to use the Rogers Ignite app. The app has diagnostic tools to remotely troubleshoot and reset the gateway. Also, ensure your gateway's firmware is up to date, as outdated software can cause connectivity problems. Rogers released a major update, version 7.5.1, for XB8 modems in September 2025, which includes enhancements for startup sequences. If problems persist, there may be a hardware issue, such as a faulty power supply or signal interference, especially in rural areas. Contact Rogers support at 1-888-ROGERS1 for assistance.